This is what $575 condominium from Airbnb gives you in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, guys. Hello out there world, I'm Damian from The Monkeys. Just about a week ago I moved to Kuala Lumpur for a month stay, and I was thinking previously to stay in the hotels and moving around Malaysia, and then I found out as you can find very nice condominium, 1-bedroom apartment in nearly center to Kuala Lumpur for very affordable money. So I decided, why not? So today I'm gonna take you for the tour of my apartment in Kuala Lumpur. Also I'm gonna show you a little bit of my hood, everything around, and also a little bit of the cost of living, what is included and where to go to shopping and how much are groceries and stuff like this in Kuala Lumpur, guys. Alright, let's get started with the tour of my apartment in Kuala Lumpur. This is the entrance and we have a little bit of the